This season, black will be the new black.
And this eldritch abomination is no sister of mercy.
Meine Damen und Herren,
Wir präsentieren
Boltergeist. We may not have made it last time, but we didn't give up the ghost, and neither did the Battlebots community. Our coven grows larger and larger every single day.
This year, Boltergeist will be bigger, better, and more powerful than it ever could have been. With its powerful new weaponry and beautiful brutalism, Boltergeist is here to dish out some incorporeal punishment.
So, pretty much everybody over the pandemic has been a little out of luck as to where they can work on their robot. But we've been lucky enough to turn this room and our backyard, don't tell our landlord, into a workshop that can pretty much do anything you can imagine except for CNC stuff. Since we got set up last year, we've been working on a couple of cool projects, I would say, including our beautiful beetle weight spinner, Spoopy!
Now we could just make a heavyweight vertical spinner just like Spoopy, but our fans were loud and clear, they wanted the hammer, and you guys were loud and clear, you want some knockout power. So I thought it would be a little bit more fun if we were to position ourselves as the premier big-time hammerbot in Battlebots. Because you see, last season, Beta was a little bit of a beta, and Shatter just doesn't quite cut it for us. So with our big, powerful, E-Tech driven hammer, we want to be the new big-time hammer in Battlebots.
Whoa. No, not just the best hammerbot in Battlebots history, but the most elegant and amazing looking hammerbot in Battlebots history. Because we are not just robot builders, we are entertainers, we are artists, we are musicians, and we're just doing it for those that we've loved and that we've lost, and we want to just kick ass on TV and make a great show and be as entertaining and amazing as we are in person.
And hammerbots are the most entertaining kind of robot. Look at the YouTube stats, they don't lie. Most popular Battlebots matches, Blacksmith versus Minotaur and Beta versus Lucky. People want big time hammers.
Now, here's a montage of Spoopy and explosions. Enjoy.